Good afternoon, it's Hiker Dude Dad here with the May update. Sorry there was no April update. Didn't set any records that month, only 72 miles and just 1 foot shy of 8,000 feet. But the kids' spring sports kind of took over. Mad Taco was on 2 softball teams, lacrosse and baseball for B-Dog. Both kids really developed into good pitchers this year, and B-Dog really enjoyed running midi for the lacrosse team, his very well-coached lacrosse team. May was a different story, and my legs kicked back into high gear. I hiked 87 miles in May, which brings me to 429 miles so far in 2021. With 1 month left until the midpoint of the year, I'm right on pace for just over 1,000 miles. I also tallied 9,373 feet of elevation, which gives me 48,829 feet for the year. But that is also on pace for 100,000 feet this year. Hey, if you enjoyed those amazing pictures of my kids playing sports, they were taken by a friend and neighbor, Mr. Cam, who is also a supporter of the Hiker Dude Dad 1,000 Mile Challenge. He loves to take pictures, asked if he could shoot the kids, and on top of that generosity, he contributed to my year-long goal of hiking to support the Cancer Research Institute. 90 cents of every dollar donated to them goes towards research and medical education programs for cancer immunotherapy. In addition to Mr. Cam, I want to thank Jen S., Lisa K., and Luann E. for their generous contributions this month. Please click the link in the description below to donate whatever amount you can to this worthy cause. I've also been working towards my AT and PA 2021 goal. I'm at 120.9 of 229.4 miles. So this goal is 52.7% complete, over halfway. I finished everything south of Route 183 except for one section. It's a future trek from Clarks Valley to Swatara State Park with an overnight at Rausch Gap. I still need to do everything north of 183. Now that you're up to date on my sporty kids, my May mileage for the Hiker Dude Dad 1,000 Mile Challenge, and my progress through the PA miles of the Appalachian Trail, let's talk about the future. Over the next 2 weeks, I'll be producing some content with my kids. I'm hoping this results in some interesting hiking videos around Lancaster County and hoping it inspires local parents to take their kids out there as well. I need to get my kids used to hiking again for a huge trip that we have coming. In June, the family and I will be going west on a 16-day hiking adventure. We'll be flying into Vegas and visiting Hoover Dam and the Valley of Fire in Nevada, with a bit of time traveling to Arizona on top of the Hoover Dam. We'll be doing the Mighty 5 national parks in Utah, Zion, Bryce Canyon, Capitol Reef, Canyonlands, and Arches. We'll drive north to the Colorado-Utah border and see Dinosaur National Monument. Hopefully we'll have time for some cool run-ins at the Utah Olympic Park before flying home from Salt Lake City. There's going to be so much action that I feel like almost all my July videos will be coming from this trip. And I'm going to say it right now, I will climb the whole way up Angel's Landing in Zion to confront my fear of heights. It is a narrow path, 1,000 feet off the canyon floor, drops on both sides, and you need to use chains to hang on for dear life. I just said it. It's a contract now. From me to you, my wonderful viewers. So there it is. I'm on pace for 1,000 miles and 100,000 feet of elevation. I'm just over halfway finished with the AT and PA. You're going to click the link below and donate towards the Cancer Research Institute. And oh yeah, we're going on a mega Western United States hike-a-palooza. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. You don't want to miss a thing.